Of course, maski hindi ko mo drive aniday. I drove it once ever in my life when it arrived inside the village, but I never used it. So, I don't like driving, and I don't like expensive cars. It's a liability. So, yeah, of course, lahi pa lang yung passenger princess, lahi na. Pupunta. Ako may baligya, ang may akong butang si Kaspan, yan. So, funny story, no? Tatong pagkuha na nako sa banking, yan na yan, boy. Ay, ma'am, may babayaran, kunin mo lang sa kasa. May babayaran kasi pina-service ni sir. Okay. Nga, gikuha naman siyang boy. So, nakunin ko sa kasa. Karon, pagkuha na ko sa balay, waray 1 hour. That's yung boy, ma'am, i-deposit mo na lang sa account ni sir with the bill for the second time. Sandan ko bill for the second time. So, okay. So, nitawag ko sa iyang mga ex-friends. Ex-friends na din niya. Ang gichikan, huy, ako gipabayad. sa service, nga 65,000 na. Doon ako billionaire ni inyong igo. But anyway, matong chika. Okay, mabayad ko with it. Na-busy lang ko this week when moving in. But wait lang. Sa mga walang alam, now, malalaman mo na. That neighbor was a pogo. P-O-G-O. Pogo. Okay? Oh. Do you want pogos? Are they welcome here? No. At that time, we couldn't talk about it because you're still there. But nawala na sila kasi pinaalis na. So, ano na yung mga daming hanash. Ngayon, alam niyo na pogo. Sige daw. Okay. Thank you.